Mantas take on the Devo Babas. We see both teams taking the field.
And ladies and gentlemen, this is the cup final.
And it is the cup final.
2025
Mantas
NiuPower
from Port Moresby taking on Devo Babas from Fiji. Devo Babas in the maroon, white, and black jerseys. The Mantas in the red, white, and black jersey.
We're about to find out this afternoon.
Fiji, the boys from Fiji have definitely been playing really well, winning most of their matches with ease so far in this tournament. As we wait for the green light to be given for kickoff in this cup final.
Ladies and gentlemen, this tournament will not be possible without our platinum sponsor, NiuPower Limited. To kick off the match,
Okay.
the CEO for NiuPower Limited, Michael Lowry, will be doing the official kickoff. Please sit down.
As you see both teams lining up as the sponsors, the CEO for NiuPower to officially kick off proceedings here in the cup finals.
Is NiuPower CEO Michael Lowry, being introduced by the captain.
So yes, Michael Lowry, the CEO for NiuPower, as well as the chairman for Sports Talk 7's Benson Upas. They're just going through both teams, shaking their hands, wishing them well before the kickoff to this men's cup final match.
We will take the benchmarks throughout this tournament.
As we wait for kickoff,
As both teams get into their final huddles.
yes, both teams there. You can see in the final huddles, as you see that the Fijians have their bobo and lifted him up as they say a final prayer before their match, as is the tradition in cup finals in Fiji. Great stuff from the Fijians. As we are about to have the official kickoff. So the Devo Babas will be kicking off. And we have a kickoff from Michael Larry, the CEO for NiuPower. Kicking off.
NiuPower maintaining its fourth year, supporting the annual NiuPower Amateur Sports Talk 7.
As we are about to get things started, we wait for the green light. Devo Babas running left to right. Mantas right to left. So we have green light. And it's a kickoff in the cup final for Sports Talk 2025. Devo Babas hang it high. They get the ball back. Devo Babas now. The pass they're finding no one. Mantas have knocked it back, says the referee. We have the big number 4 from Devo Babas here, passing it back. But it's been ruled that it's been knocked on both ways. Devo Babas will have the scrum feed. Devo Babas. Devo Babas with the scrum feed. As we're set for the scrum. Again, this is the final of the men's division. Cup final. Ball comes out the same tunnel, so we'll have a reset of the scrum. Both teams playing really well up until this point. That is, of course, the reason why they're in the cup final right now. Ball's been knocked back from Devo Babas. They draw it, offload from the number 4 back to the number 4. He's short. As he scored it, Mantas have the first try. For a second there, I thought he would have, the Mantas player was held up. But the number 4 for Mantas, just too big, too strong, goes all the way, scores the first try of the match. The first score goes to Mantas. Mantas 5, leading Devo Babas, yet to score with the conversion to come. We have a player that's down in back play, the number 10 for Mantas. Time back on with the number 6 to try this conversion from about the sideline. Almost converts it as well, but the conversion unsuccessful. The score remains Mantas 5 leading Baba Devils 0. As Mantas kick off, but the referee has called for a short arm penalty. Mantas offside at the kick restart.
Maintain the same score of 5, leading Devo Babas hit the score.
Devo Babas now.
Of this finals match.
As they come wide at 12. Too much pace. Gets through 2 defenders. He's being brought down. Picks up. Goes again. And referee has called an advantage for not releasing. Referee playing advantage. Oh, sit down there. Devo Babas. Devo Babas, they work it left. They have an overlap and space out wide. They go that way. Devo Babas hit right back.
Not wasting any time.
5-all.
With the conversion to be taken.
The conversion kick yet to come, but Devo Babas using the width of the field. The conversion from near that far end touchline. The conversion unsuccessful. Scores remain. Devo Babas 5, Mantas 5. We're tied all in this cup final. In the Sports Talk 7's men's cup final. Devo Babas to with the kick restart. They go high once again. A bit long, not enough height for the Devo Babas players to contest. Number 10, weaving, drawing and passing. Mantas fling it back. The number 8, an intercept coming from Devo Babas. Smart play, smart enough to read that pass was coming. Devo Babas, they work it left. A little stop start. Devo Babas now in the attack. Takes on contact, gets the offload, goes all the way, but the referee has ruled that the pass has gone forward. Devo Babas. The play was on, the offload was on, but the pass was forward. So it will be a scrum to Mantas.
Once again, finals rugby heating up. We thank you to our partner sponsors, NiuPower Limited, who will win our Olympics Limited. For the first time ever as we pro rugby, for the first time in the history.
It is a scrum to Mantas. Mantas with the ball. Some good stepping. Mantas in their own territory. Mantas still have the ball. They move it right. The big number 4 passes it back. Referee says that it's been knocked on. Not sure what to make of this, but it could be a try if the pass has been knocked back. But we will see what the referee says. Says it's a knock on. Devo Babas there almost with another intercept. Devo Babas reading these offloads from these big forwards from Mantas well. Almost a second intercept in the first half. Mantas, as you hear the halftime siren go off. It was still 5-all. A big push coming from the Devo Babas, but Mantas kick it out. So that is halftime. Halftime here in the men's cup final. Devo Babas 5, Mantas 5 as well. So we're tied all at halftime. Both conversions, both teams scoring 1 try apiece in the first half of this cup final. Both conversions unsuccessful. Wherever you're tuning in for, thank you so much for your thank you for joining us as we bring to you the final, the cup final of Sports Talk 7's 2025.
With that being said, once again, just a reminder, ladies and gentlemen, please ensure your personal belongings are with you at all times. Of course,
it is halftime. Both teams being pretty equal in the first half. A good show of physicality and also flair. A lot of offloads and passes left to right, right to left. As we hear the siren for the second half to continue. So we wait for a kick restart to the second half. Both teams switching sides. Devo Babas will be running from right to left with Mantas running left to right. Fiji.
The second half is about
No,
to
me
kick
no
off.
clear, but I'm to play low.
It is the Mantas
Fiji.
now running left to right.
M9.
Kicking off to
M8.
Devo Babas.
So looks away lole. Lucky mol now. We're about to get things started for the second half. Mantas go high.
Second half is underway.
Great aerial contest. The ball's been knocked on by Mantas. So we have a knock on. So it'll be a scrum to Devo Babas. Devo Babas will have possession of the ball early in the second half. Both teams still 5-all. Who will break the deadlock first? Will it be the Mantas? Will it be Devo Babas? As we hear a Hunters chant coming from the Mantas supporters. Devo Babas, they come left. In and out. Great step. Great tackle in cover defense there by Devo Babas. Referee playing the advantage for the referee, but Devo Babas still going. Gets the offload. Steps back in. Offloads again. Yeah, great shot by Mantas. Knocked on. We have a high tackle there. We could see a card. Devo Babas down to the 6 men for the next 2 minutes. And Mantas opt to have a scrum. It is the second half of this cup final match between Devo Babas from Fiji with Mantas from Port Moresby. Devo Babas there. A great ball and all tackle from Devo Babas. Counter ruck from the referee has ruled a penalty. Here's the number 10. Stepping, still going. Referee said that player was onside. And number 12 from Mantas, they're flinging the ball out wide. The ball's being knocked on. Devo Babas go on the attack. Flick back. Ball's being some nice offloading from Devo Babas. Finally goes down. Devo Babas now have the ball and they have a man free out wide and he almost goes all the way, pops it up. Devo Babas going to score. Devo Babas breaking the deadlock. Scoring the first try of the second half. Devo Babas 10, leading. The Mantas 5. The conversion yet to come. Also, this also comes back to the build-up play before that as well. A couple of good offloads. The Devo Babas players refusing to let the ball die, continuously offloading and popping up the ball, keeping it alive. Eventually, the defense for the Mantas cracked. The conversion unsuccessful. The Devo Babas 10 leading. Mantas 5. So yes, just 5 points in this match. We're already into the second half. Devo Babas with the kick restart. Devo Babas go really high. And a great take by the 11. He has space on the outside. Toes it ahead. Mantas with the ball. Mantas still have possession of the ball. They did great to defend and still have possession of the ball, but the number 10 for Mantas picks up the ball. Quick pick and go. He has space. Can he go all the way? He's been reeled in. The 11 for Mantas. Ball's been kicked back. Devo Babas have the ball. Ball's been offloaded and knocked on. High tackle, says the referee. We currently also have a player down in back play. I think it is a Devo Babas player. As we have another player about to come in and replace him.
Once again, Toksale to our officials, our land, the women camp.
The scores are Devo Babas in front, 10 points, leading the Mantas. Mantas.
Allow for our officials to move freely along the sidelines.
The Mantas are on 5 points, trailing the Devo Babas 10. And yes, we have a player, Devo Babas player that's down right now, coming from the field. He looks to have injured his left knee. And he's coming from the field. And that's what you like to see, the crowd giving him a warm applaud as he comes from the field injured. A great show of sportsmanship from our crowd here today as well. And the boys from Fiji, of course, gaining a whole heap of fans here in Papua New Guinea and Port Moresby as well.
Personnel on site.
As we wait for to get play back underway. So still trying to figure out. There's a player injured, and so the Devo Babas will be playing with 6 men as they've used up all of their interchanges. Devo Babas now, 6 men, trying to brave it out. Can they hold on long enough? They come out wide, popping a pass back again. Devo Babas still have possession of the ball. Fans appealing for shepherding, but the referee is fine with it. A great step from Devo Babas. He's away. He toes it ahead, and he's being... And the referee blows a penalty. Referee blows a penalty. It was a cynical foul. Both sides having 6 men a team. Devo Babas is short. Devo Babas still have the ball. They come left. A ball over the top. Devo Babas. Can they go all the way? Yes, they can. That is it. Devo Babas. 15.
Devo Babas extend their lead to 15.
With the conversion yet to come, but Devo Babas firmly in front of this cup final. Mantas, 5 points. Devo Babas with the conversion about 5 meters in from touch. And the conversion is pushed past the face of the sticks. So the conversion unsuccessful. The score will remain Devo Babas 15 with the Mantas 5. Mantas will need to score twice. As we hear the full-time siren go off, this will be the final play of the match. Can the Mantas restore some pride? And the number 11 from Mantas has dropped it cold. And that is full-time Devo Babas. Too good. Sports Talk Champions 2025. Devo Babas walk away victorious in the cup final against Mantas. Devo Babas winning, beating the Mantas 15 points to 5.
And close to Fiji. Thank you everyone for your attendance. Again, for every presentation, please do remain for the presentation. We are having the presentation up next. Our respective presentations for the shield, ball, and cup presentations. Please remain to witness for presentations this afternoon. Also, big thank you going out to our merch officials who of course in this great tournament, our coaches, our referees, our indoor